ओके तो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे सेकेंड चैप्टर करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। और पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने डिराइव किया था दो स्पेशल फार्मूलास। वन वाज द फार्मूला फॉर करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू अ कंडक्टिंग वायर, that was I equals to NEAVT. I current, N number density of free electrons, E charge of electron, A area of the cross section, and VD was drift velocity. Again we have derived formula for drift velocity, that is minus EE tau by M. E was electric field, tau relaxation time, and M mass of electron. Again I have discussed the significance of this negative sign, that is drift velocity of free electrons is directed opposite to the direction of electric field. But remember, if I talk about the magnitude of drift velocity, that will be written as Vd equals to EE tau by M by skipping this negative sign. So in today's class we are going to discuss some of the physical quantities. That are current density. We will derive formula for resistance, conductance, resistivity and conductivity. First I am talking about current density. See, current density is nothing but current flowing per unit cross sectional area of the wire. So current density is current divided by cross sectional area of the wire. So its formula will be, current का formula था NEAVT, and if I divide it by A, I will obtain current density, जिसे हम लोग J से लिख रहे हैं, J for current density, that is simply NEVT. So this is the formula for current density. Observe from here, you can say Vd is a vector quantity. So obviously current density is also a vector quantity. Current is a scalar quantity, but remember current density is a vector quantity. What will be the unit of current density? SI unit of current is ampere and SI unit of area is meter square. So unit for current density is ampere per meter square. Now for deriving the formula for resistance, resistivity, conductance and conductivity, I will suggest that start with this basic formula, I equals to NEAVT, and step by step you will obtain the formula for all these physical quantities. See how? This is just like the chain reactions that we follow in chemistry. A chain of derived relation. If I equals to NEAVT, I may write I equals to NEA, and instead of VT, I am writing VT equals to EE tau by M. Now see, or I equals to N E into E, that is E square, A tau by M and multiplied with E. Again I am writing I equals to N E square A tau by M, and instead of E can I write V divided by L? Why? We have obtained a relation E equals to minus dV dr. That is, electric field is simply equals to potential by distance. वहाँ बैटरी का पोटेंशियल था V and distance means length of the wire, that is L. So instead of E I am writing V by length of the wire, that is L. Now see, if I cross multiply and write ratio of V by I, V divided by I, this will be simply ML divided by N E square A tau. Using Ohm's law, V by I, that can be written as the resistance of the wire. So the formula for resistance is ML divided by N E square A tau. So this is the formula for resistance offered by a metallic wire. Now see, as you all know, conductance, that is the reciprocal of resistance. रेजिस्टेंस के रेसिप्रोकल को कंडक्टेंस कहा जाता है. सो कंडक्टेंस विल बी गिवन बाय एन ई स्क्वायर ए टाउ divided by ml. So we have obtained formula for resistance as well as formula for conductance. As we all know, SI unit of resistance is ohm and SI unit of conductance is ohm inverse, or it may be written as MHO, mho. Now observe the formula for resistance. R equals to ML by N E square A tau. Now see, R equals to ML by N E square tau A. Again you know, resistance of a wire, that is written as rho L by A. You have derived in standard 10. R equals to rho L by A, where rho is called specific resistance or resistivity of the wire. So excluding these two terms, L by A, R equals to rho L by A, तो L by A को छोड़ के बाकी का जो टर्म्स है, that is M divided by N E square tau. You may say this is the formula for resistivity of the material of the wire. As you all know, resistivity का SI unit होता है ohm meter. SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Now Reciprocal of resistivity is also called conductivity. Conductivity, that is sigma, and that is equals to 1 by rho, reciprocal of resistivity. तो कंडक्टिविटी का फॉर्मूला हो गया एन ई स्क्वायर टाउ बाई what will be the SI unit of conductivity? It is reciprocal of resistivity.